Welcome to your dream home, brought to you by American Dream Realty, where dream homes come true. Renovated and move-in ready. New windows, new roof and fresh paint inside and out. All new laminate flooring throughout house. Updated large eat-in kitchen with granite countertops, new appliances and tile backsplash. All new light fixtures. Great room with new electric fireplace. Master with private bath. Close to downtown Lexington. Location. Won't last long. Plenty of room for family and friends. A must-see.